Hi, I'm blue.
I'm red.
I'm green.
I'm yellow.
We're the Jumping Jelly Beans. We're jumping jelly beans. Red, yellow, green and green. If you're listening, you're rooting in the things. We're jumping jelly beans.
Let's go down to the farm and see the animals. Can you see a cow? Can you see a sheep? Can you see a pig? Can you see a goat? Moo, moo, goes the cow. Goes the sheep. Oink, oink, goes the pig. Goes the goat down on the farm. Let's go down to the farm and see the animals. Can you see a horse? Can you see a chicken? Can you see a duck? Can you see a dog? Neigh, neigh, goes the horse. Cluck, cluck, goes the chicken. Quack, quack, goes the duck. Woof, woof, goes the dog down on the farm. Let's go down to the farm and see the animals. Let's go down to the farm and see the animals. What animal makes this sound? A cow. What animal makes this sound? A dog. What animal makes this sound? A goat. What animal makes this sound? A pig. What animal makes this sound? A chicken. What animal makes this sound? A horse. What animal makes this sound? A duck. What animal makes this sound? A sheep. What's this word? Let's click on it and find out. Cow. What's this word? Let's click on it. Dog. What's this word? Goat. What's this word? Pig. What's this word? Chicken. What's this word? Horse. What's this word? Duck. What's this word? sheep. I've got a song that's right for you. When you're in an alphabetical mood, start at A and sing with me till you reach the letter Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. If you struggle to remember every single letter, practice hard every day, and soon you will get better. You'll find that it's ever so easy to learn your ABC if you follow right along as I sing this alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. If you struggle to remember every single letter, practice hard every day, and soon you will get better. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Something's missing from this pig. Can you tell me what it is? It goes here. It's a tail. A pig has a tail. Some things are missing from this dog. Can you tell me what they are? They go here. They are paws. A dog has paws. Something's missing from this chicken. Can you tell me what it is? It goes here. It's a beak. A chicken has a beak. Some things are missing from this goat. Can you tell me what they are? They go here. They are horns. A goat has horns. Some things are missing from this sheep. Can you tell me what they are? They go here. They are hooves. A sheep has hooves. Some things are missing from this cow. Can you tell me what they are? They go here. They are udders. A cow has udders. Something is missing from this horse. Can you tell me what it is? It goes here. It's a mane. A horse has a mane. Some things are missing from this duck. Can you tell me what they are? They go here. They are webbed feet. A duck has webbed feet. Look, a haystack. What animal is hiding behind the haystack? A sheep. Now the sheep is next to the haystack. Look, a barn. What animal is hiding behind the barn? A horse. Now the horse is in front of the barn. Look, some long grass. What animal is hiding behind the long grass? A duck. Now the duck is next to the long grass. Look, a gate. What animal is hiding behind the gate? A dog. Now the dog is in front of the gate. Look, a tree. What animal is hiding behind the tree? A pig. Now the pig is next to the tree. Look, some bushes. What animal is hiding behind the bushes? A cow. Now the cow is in front of the bushes. Look, a trough. What animal is hiding behind the trough? A goat. Now the goat is in front of the trough. Look, a tractor. What animal is hiding behind the tractor? A chicken. Now the chicken is on the tractor.
Do you know the names of some animals you can find on a farm?
A cow, a sheep, a pig, and a crocodile.
You don't find crocodiles on a farm.
You do on a crocodile farm.
C. Cow. D-O. Dog. G. Goat. P. Pig. C-H. Chicken. H. Horse. D-U. Duck. S. Sheep. I spy with my little eye. Can you guess what I can see? I spy with my little eye. Can you solve the mystery? I spy with my little eye something beginning with C. Can you guess what it is? Cow. I spy with my little eye something beginning with D-O. Can you guess what it is? Dog. I spy with my little eye something beginning with G. Goat. I spy with my little eye something beginning with P. Pig. I spy with my little eye something beginning with C-H. Chicken. I spy with my little eye something beginning with H. Horse. I spy with my little eye something beginning with D-U. Duck. I spy with my little eye something beginning with S. Sheep.